Hello, my dear friends. In the last video, I said that Bitcoin gonna hit somewhere between 150 and $200,000. So before we continue, I'm gonna explain you why it makes me think so, why this gonna happen, and again, guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Every investment is a risk and you are the only one person responsible for the risk that you take in your life, especially with all kind of investment. Now, Bitcoin was created in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. As of October 23, Bitcoin dominance stands up around 53% from the whole market cap. The market cap actually of Bitcoin is 700 billion. Now, what are the cycles and what happens when they occur? So we had already three cycles. I'm gonna show you the picture where you can see it. We had already three cycles. Now the next year gonna be the fourth cycle. Uh, Now what actually happens? The halvings, the slow the creation of the new bitcoins, keeping the supply low and preventing inflation of the currency. 2012 price went up after the halving happened from $12 to $1,100. 2016 from 640 to 9,650. In 2020 the price went from 8,600 to 67,500. By the way, starting from 2020 we had the massive adoption. We had the Tesla, PayPal, Walmart, Philip Line. They started to accept Bitcoin as a payment. Now the Tesla was manipulating the news, creating the FUD on the market. So people were buying and selling. Meanwhile, the Elon Musk was making money. This is what actually you can see if you follow the charts. Now we had El Salvador. They were fighting with high inflation. They adopted Bitcoin, but they adopted Bitcoin on that point where we had already doubled up on the market. We had by technical analysis, you can see that they were doubled up on the market, and they bought actually Bitcoin at the highest price. Now, what they're gonna do? They need to wait when the price is gonna go up. So, when is the next Bitcoin halving? The fourth Bitcoin halving is expected to happen around April 24th next year, so 2024. The block reward paid to Bitcoin miners will be decreased from the current 625 to 3.1. Again, I'm gonna show you the picture where you can see 2020 we still have 625, the amount of Bitcoin per block. Now we're coming to the most interesting part. Why do I think Bitcoin gonna go up to that price? Somewhere around 150,000. We have a big news for the Bitcoin. Huge companies applied for a Bitcoin ETF, exchange trading fund. What interesting is that the deadline for ETF is on March 24th. Now, guys, do you remember what I said? When is the next halving? April 24th, right after SEC. I'm sure they're gonna approve ETF trading funds. Again, I'm gonna show you the picture. On the right side, you can see the dates. In the middle, you can see the name of the companies. Now, let me show you actually the companies who applied for a Bitcoin ETF. Now we have a BlackRock. You see, this is a big company. They some companies they own, some companies they have a share, but they are big holders. So we have the Amazon, Microsoft, Exxon, Verizon, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna, Uber, Chevron, Tesla, Netflix, CNN, Fox News, and so on. Now, the market cap of BlackRock is $97 billion. So think about this, if they're gonna put at least like 10, 20%, something interesting gonna happen. Now we have Van Eck. This is the as well the 76 billion dollars in asset under management of September 2023. They offer range of vehicles including exchange trading funds, mutual funds, and so on. Okay. Fidelity, $11 billion market cap as of November 23. This is the fresh update. BlackRock and the Wisdom Tree. Just a few things. Yeah. So for your understanding, you're gonna have some kind of picture that these companies they actually have a fortune. Now the Wisdom Tree they have 965 million. This is their market cap. Okay, guys, these are all the big players. These are all the big players. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. You are responsible for your own investment. And as a grown up person, you are responsible for everything that you do in your life, especially with the investments. So, this is the news that we're expecting. This is what's gonna happen. Uh, Absolutely, this is gonna create a new. This is gonna be actually the pump. So they're gonna bring the money to the market, and like it happened before, 3 cycles, Bitcoin went up. This cycle is gonna be different because yes, the price I believe gonna go up, but when the big players come into game, they're not gonna let the average or small hands to play around. So I believe they're gonna hold the price for a long time, somewhere around like as I told you before, 100,000, 150,000. Yeah, this is my thoughts. This is my technical fundamental analysis, and yeah, I wish you good luck. Think twice, 10 times before doing something. And yes, again, I wish you good luck and take a good care of yourself.